Yeah, so after you remove the circlip, which is this one, you get a replacement in this kit. You can see there. So after you remove the circlip, you can just give it a good whack with I just used a piece of just a plank, and what I did, just put it like so, gently against the center part, and then just gave it a few whacks with the hammer, the plank that is, and then it just comes off real easy. And after that, just clean it up, remove the boot, and then get to work on the barrel itself. So catch you later.